Ay, ay, ay. Really? Hmm?
At Macy's, your fragrance destination. I love the way we first met. I love all that you do. I love how we fell in love so fast, so soon. I love how you won my affection.
They're back in banana flavored Tic Tac Minions with fun minion designs. I'd like to meet them.
It happens so often, you almost get used to it.
Yeah.
Which is why first, take some
Wait,
time.